Welcome to Archer Library's tutorial on CQ Researcher. This video provides an overview of the CQ Researcher database. It features how to conduct a keyword search, explore categories and hot topics, and provides an overview of both short and full reports. CQ Researcher is one of Archer Library's database options. To access, select Databases from the Library Resources list located directly below OneSearch. Select C from the Database Index list and scroll to locate and select CQ Researcher. CQ Researcher is a weekly online publication providing authoritative and accessible content and analysis on newsworthy social and political issues. Reports are original works, researched and written by experienced journalists, and professionally fact-checked. This is a great starting point for research. Content and resources help users to begin to build an argument. This database has a user-friendly layout with quick access to a basic keyword search and advanced search capabilities. CQ Researcher currently provides content from 1991 to the present. The main navigation menu includes Home, which returns you to this page, Browse Topics for viewing content categories, Browse Reports to view reports by date, issue trackers, and pros and cons. And using CQR provides options for managing your search. A featured report displays with an overview of available content, including discussion questions, chronology, pros and cons, and additional information. A selection of recent reports are highlighted. Upcoming reports are presented, including topics and publication dates. And CQ Researcher's social media is featured. My CQ Researcher has options for creating an account to manage potential topic alerts, save searches, and create lists. The home page also features a selection of hot topics with access to popular and recently updated topics. Note that these topics are ordered by relevance as opposed to by date. Let's explore the most recent hot topic, student debt. Within this short report, search management options include Cite Now, Print, Email, and Save. The Save option works if you have created an account. This article on student debt provides an overview focused on if the plan will bring relief. Take time to view the short report. Select See the chronology to jump to the bottom of the page. Review footnotes. And citation information. Return to the top of the page to explore related reports. This is a section of curated resources, which is a great way to expand or focus on a topic. Recommendations for this topic include college costs, education funding, and digital education. Take time to review the dates for related reports. In this instance, several of them are dated 2011, 13, and 15. Staying with education as a subject, let's browse a topic on education. The main topic displays with a selection of categories listed alphabetically. We're going to explore college financing and funding. These reports are organized with the most recent entry first. Entries with short reports are easily identified. The short reports, such as student debt, student loans, and college debt, have similar content to hot topics. Reports, such as compensating college athletes, are full reports. This report is from April 2020 and discusses if players should profit from use of their names and images. Navigate the full report using the menu. It includes items such as an introduction, overview, background, current situation, outlook, and pros and cons. Credentials for the authorities speaking to each issue are provided. In this instance, the pro stance was created by the Executive Director of the National College Players Association. The con stance was written by the President of the NCAA. Full reports include an issue tracker for related reports and enable you to browse related topics. Full reports include an option to view the item as a PDF. Print, download, or save the PDF document. You also can cite now, print, email, and save. If the topic you're interested in isn't listed, conduct a keyword search. For instance, we can do a search for social media. This returned 1,000 results. Note that the results are sorted by relevance. You can also choose newest or oldest. Returning to relevance. Note this is also an option to select topics as related to your search. If you're interested in a specific aspect of social media, such as arts, culture, and sports, place a check mark on the box to filter the results. Remember to note that this is a limiting option, and we have gone from the original 1,000 results to 170. Review the list and star any that may be of interest to you later. Select a result, such as social influencers, to view the report. Remember, if you've created an account, you'll be able to view your saved searches. However, if you're interested in seeing your document history, go to the Using CQR menu and select Document History. It will link to the last 25 documents you visited, beginning with the most recent item. If you have questions about using CQ Researcher or any other library database, contact a librarian for help. For quick questions, use Ask a Librarian chat. Visit the library in person to talk to the reference person on duty, or email the library at library.ashland.edu. For research help, schedule a research appointment and scan the QR code to view and complete the appointment form.